Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to unlink an EA account from Xbox, right? So I would like for you to know that you can't unlink it using your console. But if you have a browser on your console, you can go ahead and do it, okay? So basically open up a browser on your mobile device, computer, or console, if you have one. And then just go ahead over to myaccount.ea.com. Again, myaccount.ea.com, and then just hit on enter. Wait for it to load, and once it loads in the left panel, just go ahead and go to the connected account section, click on it, now scroll down and find Xbox. Okay, as you can see here, we have a big unlink button, so you can just go ahead and click on it. Now there will be a verification code that will be sent to your email address, so just click on send code, then paste the code where it's needed. Okay, I'm not going to do it because I don't want to unlink my Xbox account. But important things to know before you unlink it, okay? Unlinking means you'll lose access to all entitlements, in-game rewards, and progression tied to your Xbox account. Now, if you go ahead and relink it, you can only link one Xbox gamer tag to an EA account in its lifetime. If you unlink your Xbox, you will only be able to link the same exact Xbox account back to the original EA account. All right? I hope it's clear. And that is how you unlink an EA account from Xbox. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.